So my end budget's gonna be a little bit over budget. I was aiming for $1,500. It's a little bit over, which is not bad. 1,567.38 cents. That includes taxes. Let's see how many countries I'll be visiting for that much in flight tickets. Usually, that man, you pay that much, you're gonna go round trip. Let's say it's to India, for example, from New York, for that price. And look how many countries I'm getting for this price. So let's see where we're going. Going one, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 countries. And my end trip flying straight back to New York, John F. Kennedy Airport. All for $1,500 right here at Skysurf travel. Just in a moment, I'm going to show you my whole travel route of my whole epic adventure that I just paid for 1,500. Now, if I really want to go cheap, I can find deals on Airbnb, or go couch surfing, or just travel with my tent and with my backpack, and I'll probably and go shopping at supermarkets, and trying to keep uh, try to save, not spend that much traveling. So for now, I'm gonna be signing out, but in a moment we're gonna be seeing my flight route. So see you in a bit.